Those who find it easy to change and adapt will be the winners of the future. This is true for both individuals and organizations. For 4 billion years, nature has formed a system that is unbeatable when it comes to flexibility, adaptability and renewal. Naturakademien works with management training and coaching for continuous learning, with life and nature as its starting point. We act as a bridge between nature's efficient but basic system and the more complex ones of business life. The wisdom of native people has been utilized for thousands of years simply because it works. Their know-how, and above all their holistic view, form an important part of our approach to developing methods and achieving results within the areas that our customers choose.
And if you touch it to your lip, and it's the same temperature as the air, then it's dry enough.
One of the basic ideas is that nature is our best teacher. We show how nature's systems can be used in every company and every situation.
Den här bilden illustrerar det som vi försöker åstadkomma, antar jag, de flesta av oss som jobbar som konsulter i olika sammanhang.
When professionals from various fields meet, the result is a different kind of dialogue that leads to change. We choose beautiful locations that offer space for reflection. At the same time, there is space for creativity and activity. An important point is that we work out in the wilderness and not at tourist resorts. After all, nature functions both as a teacher and as a classroom.
Föräldrarna kommer efteråt och städa upp efter allting. Det vill säga man ska försöka nu göra allt det som marknadsavdelningen har sagt att det här går. Om man grundar på det här sättet.
It is the ability to find solutions that is vital. Each solution, however, is temporary. There are no answers that last forever. Life itself is supreme when it comes to finding out what works. The ability to change, to find what works best at a specific moment, is what keeps each and every organism and organisation alive.